In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Affirm physical card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The option to manage your Affirm virtual and physical card is gonna be available on the latest version of the Affirm mobile app. When you open up the app for the first time, you will get prompted to sign in and create an account. So all that you have to do is select the option to sign up and input your mobile number, follow through the instructions, and sign up to use their services. Once you are done signing up to use Affirm, you will have the option to go into the Card tab to receive a physical and virtual card that you can use in conjunction with Affirm to buy now and pay later. As you can see, if I switch tabs and I open up my web browser, on the Affirm Help Center, they have an article dedicated to explaining the physical and virtual cards. Once your Affirm card is created, you will receive a virtual card within the Card tab of the Affirm app, so you can start using the Affirm card right away. So all that you have to do in order to properly use Affirm and get your cards is to sign up on the Affirm mobile app, and you will be able to access the Card tab in order to receive a physical and virtual card that you can use to buy now and pay later according to the payment plans that Affirm offers. Do the entire process through the app and you will be able to receive your card to your address. If you have any issues, I highly recommend that you go over to the Affirm Help Center, and in here you talk to their customer support, as they will be able to assist you in the specific issue that you are having. You can also use this chat to answer your questions and get additional help if needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Affirm physical card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.